Good morning students, I am Tabitha working in tribal schools, Miryalguda, Nalgonda district. So students, I hope you have practiced the choreography which I taught you previously. Did you? So please practice this. So children, now let's learn another new topic. Um, Children, can you read this? Are playing the in ground children. So can you make any meaning? The words are here but everything is jumbled. Can you get any meaning from this sentence? No, we doesn't get any meaning from this sentence. If I make it properly, you can read it. The children are playing in the ground. So this gives the complete meaning. A group of words which gives a complete meaning is known as sentence. Now let's see what is a sentence and the types of sentences. A sentence is nothing but, as I told you, which gives a complete meaning or sense, and it gives an idea or a thought. And the basic rule of a sentence, everyone knows it. Sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. I hope this we all will follow. Whenever we start a sentence, we start it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. This is the basic rule of a sentence. So now let's see the types of sentences. So in sentences there are four types. The first one is assertive or declarative. The second one is imperative sentence, and third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. These are the four basic things. When you see a sentence, you should be able to easily identify what is the type of sentence. So the first one, if you see, assertive sentence. So as I have written here, you can read it out. A sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. That means a simple statement, whatever we speak. Simple statements, they are known as assertive sentences. The examples I have given you here. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Maitri planned a tour. My father started a business. Rani won the game. Madurai is a temple city. So these are the simple sentences you can add. So practice some more assertive sentences or declarative sentences you can practice. You have seen the examples, so it will be easy for you to practice. So I hope you all understood assertive. Now let us see the second one, as I told, that is imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a command or a request or a suggestion, it is called an imperative sentence. So, a command or a suggestion, I think you know what are commands. When we request someone or when we command. So, here are a few examples. Please close the door. Stand up on the bench. May I help you? Don't be lazy. Don't make noise. So most of your teachers will be telling, if you are shouting in the class, don't make noise, students. That is a command given by the teacher. And when you request it, I used here please give me some water. May I help you? These are the examples for the imperative sentences. So few more sentences you can practice. And the third one is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence is nothing but asking questions. When we use a sentence to ask the questions, it is known as interrogative questions. In an easy way, I have divided this for you. All WH comes for the interrogative questions, and the basic rule is they end with the question mark. Suppose if I tell explain a few points about anything, or explain the diagram, explain the digestive system, that doesn't come under interrogative question. So the interrogative questions, they start with WH. You remember 5 WHs: who, when, where, what, why, and how. Also this also will come. What is your father? Here are a few examples. What is your father? What is your name? Who is your father and mother? Who gave you this money? How old are you? Remember that the interrogative questions always ends with the question mark. And the last one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences, when you see the sentences, when you read the sentences, something with a strong feeling or a sudden shock, if there is a sudden shock or something expressing the strong feeling of happiness or sadness, it's known as exclamatory sentence. And here are the few examples. Hooray, we won the match. Alas, he's dead. How beautiful the house is. What a nice game. Suppose you are sitting in the class or you are playing in the ground. Oh, there is a snake. So these all, and remember that we have to use the exclamatory mark. You know the exclamatory mark, writing like one and putting the dot below. This is the exclamatory mark. So children, I think you all have understood the 4 types of sentences. Let me rewind once again. The first one is assertive, declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Assertive is nothing but a statement, a simple sentence when you speak like the sun sets in the west, the sun rises in the east. These all simple sentences come under this. And imperative is nothing but giving suggestions or commands using please, ordering, all that. And interrogative is a questioning form ending with the question mark. Exclamatory is we use the exclamatory mark which gives a sudden shock or surprise. And children, please do write some more examples for all these sentences. When you read the text also, you see a paragraph and you read the sentences and you should be able to identify. Take a sentence. Okay, what is this sentence? Is it an interrogative or exclamatory or assertive? Just follow, practice the 3 paragraphs. Then you will become the best and you will be able to identify, understand the types of sentences. Please do practice these sentences. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.